Have you ever scrolled through social media, bombarded by images of young millionaires living life on their terms, and wondered, what am I doing wrong? You get the degree, land the dream job, work tirelessly, but the bills just keep piling up. The mansion, the sports car, the dream vacation, it all feels like a distant fantasy. You start to doubt, is the system rigged? Did I miss the boat? But here's the truth. There is no secret society of the wealthy. The key to financial freedom isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. We're conditioned to believe, get an education, get a job, work hard, save slowly. So we get up every day, go to work, buy the home, educate the children and maybe take an annual holiday. This traditional model takes forever, leaving you with nothing but exhaustion and a mountain of bills when you finally reach retirement. Will you ever achieve financial freedom? Let's do the math. How do you get the first $1 million? Saving $1,000 a month takes 83 years to reach $1 million. Who wants to wait that long to truly enjoy life? Traditional methods simply don't scale with your time. Here's the game changer. You can't get rich working for money because your time is limited. The answer? Multiply your time. This doesn't mean working 24/7. It's about creating a system that will multiply your time, generating income even when you sleep. Building a scalable business allows you to leverage other people's time and skills. Forget the idea of working endless hours. Financial freedom comes from building systems that work for you, even when you're not. Here's how. Identify market needs. Look for problems people face in their daily lives. Can you create a solution? This is your business opportunity. Build a scalable business. Focus on businesses that can grow easily without requiring more and more of your time. Imagine having a business that runs smoothly even when you're on vacation. Businesses built on systems and designed for duplication allow you to leverage other people's time and multiply your efforts. Here are some examples where you can be the mastermind behind the scenes. Online courses and digital products. Create content once and sell it repeatedly. Virtual assistant services. Manage a team of virtual assistants to handle various tasks for clients. Service businesses with systems. Develop standardized processes for services like cleaning, landscaping, or handyman work. Hire and train employees to handle the tasks, freeing you to focus on management. Leverage other people's time. Delegate tasks and build teams to multiply your efforts. By following these steps, you can break free from the traditional work model and build a system that brings you financial freedom. You'll have time to enjoy life while your income continues to grow. But it doesn't stop there. Make your money work for you too. Invest in assets that generate passive income, so your money multiplies on its own. These assets could include rental properties that generate a monthly income stream or stocks that pay regular dividends. This is the path to financial freedom. It's about breaking free from the traditional model and building systems that work for you. Find the right opportunity, create scalable ventures. Duplicate your time by earning income from others. And make your money your employee. It must work for you and multiply too. There are countless paths to help you on this journey which we will cover in more videos. Remember, financial freedom is achievable, but it takes education, effort, and the right mindset. Like and subscribe to begin your journey on this road to wealth and start growing your own money tree.